Once again, good morning to everyone. This is Devasis Mohanty. Today I am here to do the exercise 5.2 discussion. Actually, in this exercise, all the question can be done by using our land formula. In my last period, which formulae I have already touched to you. It may be the shortcut 3 formula along with our first formula. All these formula we have to apply it here so that any of the question can be solved. Any of the question can be solved by using these 4 formula. Understood or not understood? See, first one it is given that, in the first question it is given that, see, A it is given, D it is given and N it is given. You have to find out AN. And I have already said to you, whenever A, D, N it is given, how to find out the AN? The formula to find out AN it is, AN formula it is A plus, here it is N means, this one it will be our N minus 1 whole into D. Understood? Only you have to put down the value at here. See, A means 7 plus, N means 8 minus 1, D means it is our 3. Which implies 7 plus 8 minus 1 it is equal to 7 into 3, which is equal to 7 plus 21, which is our 21 plus 7 it is equal to our 28. Understood or not understood? How easy this question? Actually, I said you one of the trick. And that trick it is says AND and here it is AN. Whenever these three you are applying at here, you can find out the AN. Whenever you are applying A, N and D in the formula of N, you can easily find out the N. And the second one it is given, how to find out the D. See, second question it is given that how to find out the D. The trick is the value of these two, left side 2, whenever you are putting in the equation of the AN. Everyone see, actually everyone knows the equation of AN it is equal to A plus N minus 1 whole into D. I said, whenever the rest of the 3 it is given, only you have to put all the value which one it is given. AN it is given, N it is given and A it is given. So for which AN it is our 0, A it is our minus 18 plus N means 10. So N minus 1 it is equal to 10 minus 1 whole into D. D means here it is D it is not given. So for which only you need to solve it. 0 it is equal to, see carefully, minus 18 plus 90. Understood? Which implies, here it is 18, it is equal to 90. Here it is minus 18. I transpose to the left side. So which implies 18 divided by 9, it is our D. It implies 2, it is our D. Otherwise D, it is our 2. Understood? By using the formula, how we could solve the question number I and double I. Actually, question number I and double I, here it is in the question number I, 3 we are given. It is asked for this one. Question number double I, left side 1 it was missing and that one it was our D. Listen, remember, just like D it was missed, in the next question it may be given, D may be given, N may be missed. Next question may be N may be given, this one may be missed. Whenever left side out of the 3, anyone will be missed. So you have to directly put the 1, 2, this one 3 value in the equation. In the equation means in this equation. Such that by solving the equation, which one it is not given, otherwise unknown, you can solve. You can solve and you can find out that unknown value. Understood? Perfectly understood. Question number 1 perfectly understood. See, in the question number 2, first it is given that 13th term of the AP 1074 is dash. Which one it is your 13th term? Which one it is our 13th term? Listen, whenever you are getting the question just like this, and here these are the options. Out of these 4 options, which one it is your 13th term? Everyone see, whenever you are getting the question, always you have to see which things are given and which one it is asked. Always you have to do the separation, which things it is given. Second one it is which things it is asked. See, first I am showing, here it is, first term it is our A. Everyone see, first term it is our A. and as it is already given that the list of numbers are in the AP, so for which D, it means any difference either from this one to this one, otherwise from this one to this one. Any of the consecutive two term difference you have to find, but the difference you have to find out by subtracting the previous term. So it means 7 minus 10, which is our minus 3. Perfectly understood? See, then after it is asked 13th term. 13th term means, see, so it means n it is equal to 30. N it is equal to 30. 13th term, 30 term means, 13th term means n it is our 30. 13th term it is how much? It is our first term means A1, it is A2, it is A3, and it is our next one, which one it is asked? This one it is our AN. AN means A30 it is asked. A30 it is asked. See one thing, actually how we have done the first question in the similar way, this question will be done, but this one it will be little bit word problem it is attached. Word it is attached. So for which no need to get worried. Always the easy thing you have to do, always from the given one, which things you are obtaining, only you have to separate. And which one it is asked, also you have to separate. And which one it is asked, I have already separated. See one thing, actually A it is given, D it is given, N it is given. And I said out of the 4, A, D, N, then after N. Whenever the left side 3 are given, how to find out the A30? Directly you can find out the A30 by using the formula. Everyone see, AN formula it was A plus N minus 1 whole into D. So, A30 formula it will be A plus 30 minus 1 whole into D. D means it is our minus 3. Which implies A means it is our 10, and here it is 30 minus 1, it is our 29, and here it is minus 3. It implies 10 plus, see, 3 9s are 27, 7 2, 3 2s are 6, 2 8. So which is our minus 87. See, here it is minus 87 plus 10, which gives us minus 77. So tell me, is it the easier process or not? Whether you understood the step or not. So now all these questions till now we are solving as per our learned 4 formula or not. So for which here we got it as the 77. So for which this one it will be our required answer. Also in the question number II also it is given in the same process. How I have already done this question, next question you have to do attempt from your side. Understood or not understood? In the question number 3 it is given that fill in the blanks. Actually the list of the numbers are it is given in AP, and this list of number it is already given in the AP, and this list of the numbers are already given in the AP. How to find out the next term? Listen, one of the important thing I want to say you. One of the important thing, remember, any of the term we can obtain. Whenever A it is given and also the D it is given. Easy trick. A and D it is given. See, here it is A and D because the number of a term it is already given. N means second, 2. Here it is N means second term, here it is the third term. So it means important thing is, first you have to see, here in this AP, everyone see, important thing is A it is given. Understood? And here it is which term it is given? A1, A2, A3 it is given. See perfectly. It means A3 it is given. See, A3 it is our 26. A3 means N it is our 3. Understood perfectly? See, here it is A given, N given, D it is not given, but AN it is given. I said to you how to find out the D. The shortcut formula it is, see, the shortcut formula it is how much the A and N you are getting. Actually this one it means one of the equation. AN it is equal to, AN value it is given, it means one of the equation. See just how to solve. A3 equal to 26. A3 means A plus 2D, it is our 26. A plus 2D, it is our 26. It implies 8 is equal to 2, 8 is equal to 2, and 2d means, see, 2d means 2 into d, it is our 26, which implies here it is 2d, it is our 26 minus 2, which is our 24, which implies 2d, it is our 24, it implies d, it is equal to 24 divided by 2, which is our 12, See, once you are getting the d means d we got. So how to find out a2? Actually this one it is our a2, and the formula to find out a2, it is our a plus d, and here it is the a, it is our 2, and d, it is our 12. So for which here you are getting 12 plus 2, it is our 14. So this one it will be our 14. And another easy trick I want to share with you. That easy trick you have to remember, whenever two of the terms are given and in between them which one it is the term, it is not given. Remember, whenever two terms are given and between them one of the term it is not given, the easier formula you have to remember to find out the easier formula it is, see, which two terms are given, so it means their sum you have to find out, 2 plus 26 you have to find out, divided by 2, which is equal to 28 divided by 2, which gives us 40. So this formula it will workable only when two of the side terms are given and middle term it will be asked. Everyone perfectly understood? Now I want to show you another question number 3 how to do. How we have done the question number I, in the same way question number 3 can be done. See everyone, in the question number 3, here it is seen A it is given 5, A1, A2, A means A1, A2, A3, and this one it is our A4. See, A4 it is also given 9 whole 1 by 2, otherwise 9 to 18, 19 divided by 2. Okay, and here it is A4 means n it is our 4 it is given. It means n it is our 4 it is given. See, A it is given, n it is given, d it is not given, but an it is given. How to find out the d? I said how to find out the d? Whenever you are putting the an in this equation. See, whenever you are putting the an in this equation, which one will give us the equation? Always an will give us the equation. Here an it is our a4. See, a4 means a plus 3d. It is our 19 divided by 2, which implies a value you have to put, a value it is our 5, and 3d it is our 19 divided by 2. I want to find out the d, for which 3d it will be in this side, 19 by 2 minus 5, which gives us 19 minus 10 divided by 2, which is our 9 by 2. It implies 3d it is our 9 by 2, it implies d it is our 9 by 2. Here it is 3, it is multiplied, so here it will be divided. 3 cancel, for which this one becomes 3 by 2. It means I have already got that d it is our 3 by 2. Once you are getting the d it is your 3 by 2, this one it is our second term means a2. Formula for a2 it is a plus d. A means 5, d means 3 by 2, which is equal to 5 to 10, 13 divided by 2. And the next one it is our a3, it becomes, see, a3 shortcut formula it is a2 plus d also you can write, otherwise once again you can write a plus 2d also you can write. A plus 2 means a plus 2d means 2 into 3 by 2. 2 it will be cancelled, which becomes it is our 5 plus 3, it will be our 8. IV also can be done in the same way. In the question number IV, here it is a, it is given your minus 4, and a1, a2, a3, a4, a5, a6, a6 it is given our 6. So it means n it is our 6, an means n it is our 6. How to find out the d? Actually d it will be required. So you can find out the d by solving this equation. See, a6 means a plus 5d, it is our 6, which implies a means minus 4 plus 5d, it is our 6, which implies 5d, it is our 6 plus 4, which is our 10, it implies d, it is our 2. See the easy trick. Once you are getting the d it is equal to 2, shortcutly I am doing. D it is equal to 2 more, it means minus 4 plus 2, it is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, it will be our 0. 0 plus 2, it is our 2. This one it will be our 4. Suppose it will be asked that you have to only fill in the blanks. You can fill in the blanks after getting the d, just like I just understood or not understood. See, in the question number 4, it is given that which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78. Which of the number of a term it is our 78? Which of the number term? Just like this one, it is our first number of a term means A1. This one it will be our second number of a term means A2. This one it will be our third number of a term. So it means which number of a term? It means n it will be how much? It means n it will be how much such that an it will be our 78. See actually which things are already given, that one I am listing out first. See, from this one it is given that everyone see a it is given, first term a means a1, it is our 3 it is given. See, d it is our any difference, either this difference, otherwise this difference, otherwise this difference. So one of the difference 8 minus 3, I am taking it as the 5. Understood perfectly? Then after number of a term it is which one? N it will be how much? N it will be how much such that an it is our 78. It means the term it is 78. Term it is already given that the 78. Here it is asked that which term? Which term is 78? Suppose nth term it is 78. Suppose nth term. So for which I wrote an it is our 78. So the question it is asked n it is how much in number? Whether it will be our second term, otherwise third term, otherwise 20 term, otherwise 40 term. How to find out? See, here it is given which one? First it is given that a it is given, d it is given, an given, but n it is not given, n it is asked. And I have already said whenever from the a, from the d, from the n, anyone it is asked, always you can find out either a or d, otherwise n by putting it in the equation of an. Everyone see, an everyone know, this one it is the equation, this one it will give us the equation. See, an it is our 78. Everyone see perfectly, this one it is very easy thing. In the single formula we are proceeding. Actually all these questions we are solving by using our first formula. an it is our 78. See, an means a plus n minus 1 whole into d, it is our 78, which implies 8 is given. All this thing you have to put it at here. So it means 8 is our 3, n minus 1 whole into our d, it is our 5, it is our 78. So these three I am transposing to the right side. It means n minus 1 whole into 5, it is our, see, directly writing 78 minus 3, which is our 75. N minus 1 whole into 5, it is equal to 75. It means, see, n minus 1 it will be 75 divided by 5, which it is our 15. It means n minus 1, it means 5 it is multiplied, so on the right side 5 it is divided, and here it is n minus 1 it is equal to 15. It means n it is equal to 15 plus 1, which is our 16. So it means our sixth term of the AP it will be our 78. It means A16 it will be our 78. Perfectly understood? So n equal to 16. So A16 it will be our 78. Whether this question it is easy or difficult, it is easy to solve, otherwise difficult to solve. In a single formula we are doing. Up to this, whatever the questions we have already done so far, all these questions we are done in a single formula. Yes or no? See, now we want to do the question number 5. See perfectly, question number 5, it is given that the number of a term of the AP you have to find out. Find out the number of a term. Number of a term. See, here it is number of a term. Number of a term. Everyone see, actually from here it is given, this one it is our A. This one it is our A. And here D it is, see perfectly, D means the difference. 13 minus 7, it is our 6. And the last term, it means nth term, suppose it is our AN, it will be our 205. Suppose AN, it will be our 205. So it means one thing it is clear, everyone see, A it is given our 7, D it is our given also 6, AN it is our given it as the 205. It is just find out the number of a term. Number of a term. It means last one it is suppose nth term, but that n it is how much? Just like A1 means first term, A2 means second term, A3 means third term. So this one suppose we are taking it as the nth term. So it means AN it is our 205. So you have to say that this one it is in which number? It means our n it is how much? Whether it is 20, otherwise 30 or 40. See, so it means A it is given, D it is given, AN it is given. So it means it is asked that you have to find out the n. How to find out the n? I said always you have to put it in this equation. AN it is equal to 205. AN it is equal to 205. It implies, it means A plus n minus 1 whole into D. It is our 205. It implies A it is our 7, n minus 1 whole into D it is our 6, it is our 205, which implies n minus 1 whole into 6 it is equal to 205 minus 7. It implies n minus 1 whole into 6 it is our 198. 198. We want n, so for which from this I am writing C. So for which n minus 1 it will be our 198 divided by 6, which gives us 6 3 is 18, 6 3 is 18. It implies n minus 1 it is our 33. It implies n it is equal to 33 plus 1, which gives us 34. It means total number of terms it is our 34. Otherwise total number of a term it is our 34. Otherwise one can say it as the 34th term. 34th term it is our 205. Both having the same meaning. Understood? Whenever which number of a term, otherwise total term it will be asked means n it will be asked. And always the last number, last term you have to choose it as the an, nth term. Understood perfectly? Here in the question number 6 it is asked, check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP or not. Here it is the list of the number of the AP it is given. The list of the numbers of the AP it is given, and it is asked, you just have to check whether minus 115 is it a term of the AP or not. Is it a term of the AP or not? See, how to check minus 150 it is a term or not. Suppose we are saying that nth term means nth term it is our minus 150. Suppose this one it is suppose we are taking it as the 150, it is one of the term. Thereafter here it is A it is given, A means first term it is our given it as the 11. D it is given 8 minus 11 it is our minus 3 it is given. Thereafter if we are capable to find out n, so then after we can say easily that this one it is the 30, otherwise 40, otherwise 50. Then after we can say that yes, minus 150 it is one of the term, and one of the term means 13th term, otherwise 15th term. So it means important one is we have to find out the n, it is a valid number. See, so how to find out the n? By putting in the equation. See, an it is our minus 150. So an means a plus n minus 1 whole into d, it is our minus 150. Understood? So it implies in place of a, I just have to put it as the 11 and n minus 1 whole into d. D means minus 3. It is our minus 150. Which implies I want to find out n. N is within the product of these two. So for which this one I am separating n minus 1 whole into minus 3. It is our minus 150 minus 11, which is equal to minus 161. Which implies n minus 1 whole into minus 3. It is our minus 161. It means only n minus 1, it is our minus 161 divided by minus 3. Minus minus cancel. Here it is 6 to 8. 61. This one it is 8 is our 11. So which is our, see perfectly, which is our 161 divided by 3. So it means, see, next one it is n minus 1, it is this much. So n it is equal to 161 divided by 3. Here it is plus 1, which implies 161 plus 3 divided by 3, which gives us 164 divided by 3. On simplifying, you will get it as the 3 5 ja 15, 15, then after 3 4 ja 12, 2 by 3. See, n you are getting one of the mixed fraction. N you are getting one of the mixed fraction. So the number of a term, it will always be whole. 5th term, 6th term, otherwise 7th term. But here it is, someone will say that 54 whole 2 by 3 third term. So it will be our 150. So for which this one it is impossible. So for which this one it is impossible. Which is impossible because the number of a term, it will always be our whole number. So for which there is no term having the value, it is minus 150. Understood perfectly? Leaving this one. In the question number 7, it is asked that find the 31st term of the AP. You have to find out the 31st term. Otherwise A31. Whose 11th term it is given. See, 11th term it is 38. It means A11 it is our 38. And another one it is 16th term. It means A16th it is our 73. So it means you need to find out the 31st term, otherwise our A31st. See, this question how to solve. Whenever the two terms are given, remember, whenever the two terms are given, A11 means, see perfectly, it means A plus 10D, it is equal to 38. And A16th means, everyone see, it means A plus 15th D, it is our 73. See, suppose this one it is our equation 1, this will be our equation 2. Pair up a linear equation in two variables. Pair up a linear equation in two variables. Whenever you are getting the situation just like this, by solving the two equations, you can find out the value of the A and N. See how I am doing. Everyone see. See. Here I am subtracting equation 2 from the equation 1. Everyone see. Here it is minus, here it is minus. On subtracting, see, here it is A, it will be cancelled, plus A minus A cancelled. Here it will be minus 5D, it will be our 13 minus 8 equal to 5. Here it is 6 minus 3, it is equal to 3. It means minus 35. So on solving, you will get it as the D it is equal to minus 35 divided by minus 5, which becomes our 7. So it means we have already got the value of the D, it is your 7. See, the trick is after getting the D, that D you have to put in any of the equation. See, suppose I am putting in the equation 1. See, in the equation 1 plus 10D means 10 into 7, it is equal to 38. Which implies A plus 70, it is our 38. It implies A it is equal to 38 minus 70, which is our minus 32. It means A, it is our minus 32. As we have already got the A and also we got the D also we got, and it is asked that we have to find out the value of the A31. See the trick, see A31, everyone see A31 can be obtained. The trick is A plus 30D. A plus 30D. See here it is our A, it is our minus 32. See it means our minus 32 plus 30 whole into D means our 7, which implies minus 32 plus 210. On solving you will get it as the 10 minus 2, it is equal to 8. Here it is 10 minus 3 equal to 7. Here it is 178. So for which A31 it will be our 178. So tell me how easy this question. Tell me how easy this question. And another thing you just have to remember, the sum of the two term, another sum of the two term it is given means pair of the linear equation it will be given. By solving you can find out the value of the A and D. In the same way, whenever two terms are also given, means by solving the two term forming equation, linear equation, also you can find out the value of the A and D. Understood? The next question it is given that how many 3-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 7. How many 3-digit numbers are there? See, so 3-digit number it is only asked. So it means in our AP only we have to collect the 3-digit smallest number to greatest number which are divisible by 7. See the trick, how to find out the smallest 3-digit number divisible by 7. See, so first we have to write down the smallest 3-digit number, and the next one it is our greatest 3-digit number. Here it is smallest 3-digit number, I have to divide by 7. 7 1s are 7. Here it is 3 and here it is 30. 7 4s are 28. Here it is 2, it is left. Listen, how to find out which one it is the smallest 3-digit number divisible by 7. See, smallest means we have to add always. Smallest means add. Greatest means subtract. Smallest means how much we have to add. See the trick. 7 minus 2. It is how much? 7 minus 2. It is our 5. So that much 5 it is to be added with 100. So for which the first number it becomes smallest number. It is our 105. 105. And you have to add the 7 with 105. It becomes 112. So it means the second it is ready. Also third one also you can find out by writing it as the by adding 7. 7 means it will be 7 more, 7 more, 7 more. It means then after the numbers will be divisible by 7. See, to find out the important one, it is the smallest 3-digit number divisible by 7. Then after the greatest 3-digit number divisible by 7. See, 7 1s are 7. Here it is 29. It means 7 4s are 28. Here it is 19. 7 2s are 14. Here it is 5. See. And the greatest one we can find by subtracting only the remainder. Adding means the difference between the divisor and remainder it will be how much. That one it is to be added with the dividend so that the number it will be our smallest. To get the smallest, so you have to add. To get the greatest, you have to subtract. How much you have to subtract? Directly 5. So 999 minus 5, it becomes our, see, 999 minus 5 which becomes our 994. So as our AP it is already ready, it is asked total number of how many numbers are there, How many numbers means, remember, how many numbers means it is asked that you have to find out the n. Everyone see, it means it is asked that you have to find out the n. So from the AP which are it is given, A it is given our 105, D it is our difference, here the difference it is our 7. And the last term it is our AN. It is our 994. And the trick it was said to you, whenever AN given, D given, A given, how to find out the N? By solving this equation. See, this equation it is AN, it is our 994. It means A plus N minus 1 whole into D, it is our 994. Which implies A it is our 105 plus n minus 1 whole into 7, it is our 994, which implies n minus 1 whole into 7. It is our 994 minus 105, which becomes 14 minus 5, it is equal to 9. Here it is 8. Here it is 9 minus 1, it is our 8. Which implies n minus 1 whole into 7. It is our 889. But I want to find out n minus 1. So for which 7 it is to be divided at here. When 7 it will be divided, it gives us 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 49, 7 7s are 49. N minus 1 it is our 127. It implies n it is our 127 plus 1, which is our 128. Understood perfectly? So it means the number of 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7, it is 128 in number. Perfectly understood. Just like we have done the question number 13, in the same way how we have to do the question number 14. See, both are of similar type. Everyone, you just have to see, both are of similar type. See, in this question it is asked that how many multiples of 4 lies between 10 to 252. See, multiples of 4, everyone, one can say it easily. First multiples after 10 it is 10 to 252. First multiples it is our 12. Once we are getting the first multiples, least multiples, it can be easily obtained by seeing 10. Then after it is our 10, then after 12, then after 12 for the 16, then after 16 for the 20, multiples of 4. Last one it is 250. 250 means which number it will be divisible? 250. 250 means, just see, 250, is it divisible by 4 or not? See how to check. 4 6 ja 24. Here it is 10. 4 2 ja 8. Here it is 2 left. So for which, as it is the 2 left, so for which last number which will be divisible by 4, it will be 250 minus 2, which will be 248. Which will be our 248. So it means it is given that how many multiples of 4s are there. How many multiples of 4 there. So it means this AP only you have to solve. In this AP, it is given that A it is our 12 it is given, D it is our 4 it is given, and AN it is given our 248. So it is given that how many multiples of 4. How many means you have to find out the n. And you know that n can be obtained by solving this equation. AN it is equal to 248. It implies 2a plus n minus 1 whole into d. It is our 248. Understood? So which implies a means 12 plus n minus 1 whole into d means 4. It is our 248. So it implies this one it will be n minus 1 whole into 4. It is our 248 minus 12. It means n minus 1 whole into 4. It is our 236. It implies only n minus 1. Bracket I am separating. N minus 1, it will be our 236 divided by 4. Okay, so it means 4 5 ja 20, 36 means 4 9 ja 36. Okay, so which implies n minus 1 it is equal to 59. It implies n it is equal to 59 plus 1, which gives us 60. So it means total number of 60 number of multiples of 4 are there between 10 to 250. Easy or difficult it was? So all these questions, whatever I taught to you, all these questions, once again you have to do practice along with the rest of the remaining question in the similar way you have to practice. And the important one it is from the AP which one it is given and which one it is asked. In that logic always you have to try to solve. Today the discussion it is this much. Once again we will do the discussion of the remaining question in our next class. Okay, thank you. Have a beautiful day.